Yo, peace, God, peace. Know what I mean? Told me to slide through, I'm here. No, just make my shit sound clear. Know what I mean? First of all, get the mumble rap niggas the fuck out of here, son. Straight up. Word up, come on, B. You know how I do with these mics, man. It's train killer, nigga. Yo, you know the rulie. Son, don't get smacked with the toolie. Fuck around, have a nigga facing Judge Judy. Crime scene. You know, guns and baggy jeans. Yo, stick that shit in his mouth, man. Word up, man. Don't fucking play me, son. Word. Street intellectual crime wave. I'm all in it. So no slang, son. You know I'm running and banging. Dope hood models like Keisha and Belly, yo. Knocking whack niggas off with the ill overdose. Touch a man up. Make him respect the heat. Hold a yuga. Look in my eyes and see these days is getting colder. If it wasn't for hip hop, I might be dead or something. Matter of fact, Pastor Jazzy Jeff. These niggas is frontin'. Mic control. Guaranteed to bless your soul. Still talk with the slickness. Turn bums to rich kids. Damn, go to any hood and cause an avalanche. That's how I'm living. I'm nice with the incision. My bitch ass so fat, she fucked up division. I miss her. Kiss her like Felicia Rashad's sister for real. And none of y'all hoes can fuck with her in the hallway. Getting neck from Shaka Khan, nigga. Cause you know that I'm the one that turn it on, nigga. Stay in the lab, heat it up for the streets, right? For the axe outies, the Ringos and beams, right? I'm always watching the back. I learned a thing or two. Living in these jungle streets, caged in the zoo, ill loot fiend. I goes all out for mine, track killer, Akai, MPK, 49. I'm from a different time frame, but time is boss game. Will you live with the pain and sacrifice for a change? Spitting that flu rap, adapt to this cold game. Luke Kane, I tell you for the same, or no change. Believe I do this straight like that. Now I'm saying, I'm just a straight out the box, hustle smooth playing. Take a pull, come on, relieve your stressing. I'm serving this from low frequencies and ghetto sections. This ain't that trash on the radio or R&B rap. This that background music on jail on the jack. This that genuine Deborah Dan Stitch. Sipping my arena gangsta wild pitch.
Non-stop nonsense. My icy drippin' niceness. My icy drippin' niceness. My icy drippin' niceness. I can't even stand in the sun. Standing in a puddle of blood. Look at his shoes, look at his rings, look at his watch. Damn, another brother about to get shot. Keep playing games with your life. You know them niggas ain't right. Never was, never will be. Shit sucks, but that's just life. You either dead or you alive. And the dead can't say nothing cause they died. Whoever told you that shit was a lie. Cause they showed a nigga how to ghost ride. My ice drippin' niceness. My ice drips niceness. My ice is drippin' niceness. My ice drips niceness. Everybody think they cute, okay? Look at me, look at you. Call a nigga 12 chain. Cause that's the simple shit I do. Woo! I'm always running wild, nigga. Ever since I was a little child. Type of dude that made me smile. Fuck around, I turn it upside down, nigga. My ice